Good afternoon, everybody. I'm back again. We have another setup on a buy side working towards our golden structure target 1. We have 3 consecutive lows. We'll just mark it here. 1 second. We have here third low. This is second low. We have the first low. The high is broken of the second low. There is a break in the structure. Market still went little more depth on the high side. Came back in, given us the test of this zone. The zone starts from your close to the tail, right? So this is the first test, pullback, second test, pullback, third test. See a pin bar, inside bar, and engulfing bar. We don't take the trade inside the zone here. I mean to say, when the pin bar is not engulfed with a single candle, usually, then we see a 2 candle drop, then we see a single candle engulf. Now this is a risky trade. Somebody can take it because it has a 60-point movement in the spot. You would have made in a ATM of options around 30-point stop loss. Target is 1:1. Still we can trade this because the first target is never missed, which is around 60 points from here. So 30 points in options. All right. So probably it's moving towards the first target. So let us see what market does in few minutes of the time. The stop loss goes below this. All right. We have a pin bar here. So understand the pin bars are very strong. They do not allow market to trade above them. So if it is stopping here with a gap down, there is a bearish candle engulfing. So maybe market is trying to hold here for some time. All right. So if market breaks this, we are reaching to our target. So the structures will not be always similar. See, this is a 3-step draw. First one, pullback, second one, pullback, third one. So you can see the step formation here, and then we have a big engulfing candle. All right. So the morning when we took our sell side, you see the rejection candle is taking out all the steps high. 1, 2, 3. This is the place. We had this higher highs. I will just recollect this. These are the 2 peaks formation. Third peak formation. You can see my previous video few minutes back. So we had a break in the structure at this low. And this high was getting tested. This is the first attempt, higher high, second attempt, higher high, third attempt with the pin bar. The difference here is we have first attempt, pullback, second attempt, pullback. The third attempt is inside this. The pin bar is also not getting a single candle engulf. Now I waited for another push down. We get the 2 bearish big candle, which shows the exhaustion of the market, and single bullish candle engulf. It will take you there for sure, but we have to have patience, right? Only the risk factor is our risk is around 30 point in option at the ATM, and this one is around 30 points. So maybe you can trade off 1:1, and you can always make a judgment call based on your own money management whether you want to take this, because if 30 point is too high for you to take, you can always wait for 10 to 14 stop. If market breaks this, maybe I will expect him to go to target 2. It's never sure, because here we expected this is the first target on the sell side. We wanted market to come to the beginning of the move. Target 2 never came back. We got out here our 20%, 80% right? So this move was unexpected from here, but we always know that after the first target, market can take any direction. You can still continue down or you can up. So we went up, we have a rejection, we have engulfing, we have a lower peak formation, break in the neckline, market started selling off. And then we got this exhaustion, then we got a breaking structure. Market gave us the 3 steps down. Let's see, this is what I was trying to tell you. The pin bars are very strong. They do not allow market to pass their highs. They start stopping them within their length, from the close towards the open, from the high. So all these 3 places will start looking as a big resistance. If this works out, then it will be the second consecutive trade on the after the first trade in the morning on the sell side. And if this does not work, then this will be the, I guess, first stop loss hit after 17 consecutive trades. work on our process. Market came here, gave us first push, pull back, second one, third one, we had engulfing, we have entry. We look for this target, sell below this. This guy will not allow. This pin bar will not allow. Maybe the next move up it will allow, but he's not allowing. The first time it is dropping off. All right, we will wait. We are still getting the pin bars getting engulfed, which is very dangerous. It's not a good sign for the buyers. Even this pin bar is holding. See this? This guy is holding here. Let us see in the ICICI Bank meantime. The ICICI is not supporting in any form. It is just ranging out here. You can only see market came out of this box trading, took out on the top side, came down, probably just came to this lower range of the box side and started moving up. Let's see SDFC. Nothing special. Took out the highs, came down, took out the liquidity from the low, moving up. Let's say Bank Nifty gets the push. Yeah, we get the push here. This time, if it tries to test this pin bar will give the way out. Probably you'll not be able to hold now because the first attempt it has rejected. Hope after the break of this high, swing high, maybe it will push directly there. Now the this is the advisable thing. What we do now. Now we'll keep the stop loss below this, not here. The SL was supposed to be below this. Now we will move it here because we have a good engulfing candle. If it tries to come back and hit this line, we are coming out. You will lose very small amount rather than you can protect your SL another 20 points. Probably you lose only the 10 points of your entry. Huh? You have to bring it here and just tail it off. Even after touching a stop loss, it goes. Let's remember, never regret. Always try to protect your principal amount, how much ever it is possible. Right? So let us have our timer has come into the line. Whenever it touches it, we'll get the prompt up. How about Nifty? Will this bullish move hold? Let us see that. Same thing with the Nifty. We can bring it here. If this loss goes, we are out of the market. With a very minimum loss for sure, which hardly matters for us. You can see the higher lows formations, higher highs formations, assuming that we'll get another push, probably will reach here. So we are losing 10 points at this stop loss. We are losing 10 points at this stop loss. We are losing 30 points at this. So we are saving 20 points here. From that 20 points, probably we'll give the tax to the brokerage, to our brokerage account. So we will be at a minimum loss. Let him give a close below that. Do not close a position the moment it touches it. Bank Nifty is pushing higher, but this high is critical to break off. The moment it touches target one, 80% has to be exited immediately. With the rest 20%, you can follow till the high of the, this complete fall from here. So if probably 39,120 will be your second target, the safer one. If you are succeeded on target one, or else we are coming out. Maybe video will get little longer, not an issue. Let us hold it, guys. Now, after the entry, it has taken how many candles? And you have been sitting here around 19 bars. All right. So 20 candles, right? So 20 minutes it has been hovering here. But since it's maintaining a higher low, let's wait for another 5 to 6 candle and see whether it wants to take out stop loss or you want to take out the high. We are not going to trail this SL further high. No, he may come back and retest this low again. Same thing with the Nifty. Will maintain the SL position here. Nifty is crossing the line which we had, but let us see if they get close below this. This is called the volume building up. See that how many people are on the sell and buy side all along. It's pulling in people from both the directions. So people like us, we are still the retail traders. We get into the trades based on the setups. If high of this candle breaks, we are looking at market going there back again. If it is not, then maybe SL will get. Okay, it's breaking on the lower side now. Nifty, the position people could have advised that they can close their positions. Bank Nifty is still holding up. Now, if he breaks this high, it's going to the target. No stopping. That's it. Now we are reaching to target one for sure. And let's see what it does. Nifty, we have come out, unfortunately. Okay, so let us see in the Bank Nifty. Keep holding. Now we go below this. Another 15 minutes, he will be in this range. He will not be out of this. So means up till 2:15, we are not seeing the breakout mostly. So in that process, if it hits our stop loss, it is very bad. Risk taking ability can bring us back to the SL here. All right. Okay. But as per the structure, the SL is always here. We are just trying to minimize our losses. But seeing market is not able to make its way up progressively in a vertical move. So we feel like it's better to come out of the market by protecting the loss. So we are keeping the loss SL here. But technically and as per the process, your actual SL is here. And I always advise not to take big losses. If this is very small as per your account, you can always maintain that. If somebody is trading with the lesser account size, keep trading the SL at a very significant lows, which makes sense. Not always all the lows are good enough. Okay. So you can see that within this low, all these lows are getting formed. So this is a buildup of liquidity. You may come back, take out these lows and go, but this will be protected. You may touch that low, may not go and close below that. Okay. So these are reasonable SL places. That is the reason I have moved it down here. Close below this, we will get out. We have a break of this candle, but we are not getting a closure above that. This pin bar was very significant as we discussed about. The moment he went there, it has pushed the market down and it has been holding from past 3 touches. It's not allowing. But this time, if it breaks, this pin bar will not hold anymore. It will go to the target one. Well, let's see what the market does now. It's still ranging out now into the box. So he may fake out either this side or this side and then move in different directions. So inside bar break, he'll come down here. Okay. Let's say Nifty. Nifty is dropping badly. All right. Let us see our Reliance. It has dropped. HDFC holding up. ICICI Bank faked out down. Came inside. Closing now. Second candle. 1 minute started. Goes above the pin bar. Mostly the bank mostly should start moving up. Yeah, same thing here. Got a pin bar. Got an engulfing now. Another 40-50 minutes, maybe seconds. So let's see. He's trying to maintain this box trading, creating liquidity above and below. We have no regret exiting at this SL. If somebody is exiting at the below of this candle also is very good. You may have your own chances to go back, but I don't play on chances. So I work out with the market, how the market is working. I always said that it may not come to this place. It may take our SL and go back. The guys with the SL here may be lucky this time. But I generally want to see a very huge vertical move up of the market immediately after my trade within 5 to 6 candles. Now we are trading at more than 20 candles. After the entry, this was the entry. And this particular candle is 32. So 30 minutes. We are into the trade. Market is not making any headway on the top. So I always exit the market. So this is the rate to rate price what we are running at. This was the entry price, bullish candle close. So if I exit here, I have to pay the tax. Rest everything is protected, even my 10 point losses. But I still want to take this 10-point loss, not an issue. Technically speaking, if I was not in live, I would have exited the market at this price. Reason behind, I do not want to trade anything more than 30 minutes if my market is not giving my way. But to show you how our setup works, let us continue with the process with SL. Let us see whether it takes out in the 10 points here or whether it takes out on this SL. All right. But on the reality and practicality, when you are trading, you have to look at how the market is performing. You see that making continuous lower highs. So the momentum it is having a lots of pressure from the seller side. So anytime it can hit you, right? So I generally get out at the cost to cost price and I don't make any loss. Giving tax is not a loss for you guys. It is very easy recoverable in any trade because we always get somewhere around 1:5, 1:3 of the targets. The more he builds up momentum, if he breaks down, he will continue crashing down. Also, he will do the same thing. If it breaks up, you will have a vertical momentum till your target. This will be your resistance because of this pin bar. So in either case, up or down, it will give you a very high momentum. Likely to. So we are now 2 o'clock. We have another 1.5 hours of trading. So if you look at from the zoom out perspective, this entire place was from today, was a box trading. See this up, down, up, down. This is a fake out, came back inside again, up, down, up, down. So he has been trading in this box range from the morning today after the fall, isn't it? The same box, same concept. The smaller box at the smaller level is performing at the higher time frame. I mean to say higher uh, on a time scale when you see from morning till now, isn't it? So he may now, since he has taken out people from outside of this box on the top buyer side, he has brought in, he can now go back toward the seller side. So he can always break down from the higher perspective, right? So exiting the position at this stop loss makes sense for me. Because market generally doesn't take so long. When you have seen my videos, you have seen our structure. After the entry, hardly 3 to 4 candles and we reach to the target, isn't it? How did we do here? The moment it broke the low of this, first candle came up and then it has gradually fallen weak. It took how many candles to go there? 80 candles. They are already 30 candles and staying inside. Okay, so let us see what it does. We had a pin bar, but we didn't have engulfing, so it's uh, not a good sign of bullish move. Let's see what Nifty is doing. Nifty is breaking down, so you may take the guys who is here for sure. So the guys with the stop loss on Nifty at this place, they can exit. As I told, 15 minutes he will be staying in this range. He will not go out of this two box. Maybe after 2:15. Let us see 15 minutes candle. Yeah, another 5 minutes, and then I think it should start moving if it doesn't break the SL. So let us see what it does for 5 minutes. Still in the box. We have an engulfing here. So this is a reversal pattern now. Mostly this is a reversal pattern. We have a bearish candle, rejection candle, and engulfing of a single candle now. Let's see the HDFC Bank. Okay. How about ICICI? They're just sliding, sliding, sliding. Nothing more. This guy is always in the box. Low of this pin bar is protected, but the closure is not there. I wish I had a closure immediately after this, but our wish is not been, taken in the market. We have to go with the reality. Okay, we are breaking out of this box. It's been quite some time. How long it is taking? From this candle to this candle is another 40 minutes. 20 minutes, it will be 1 hour. So I think 15 minutes is over. Market has come out. This is what we predicted. After 15 minutes, the market should start moving. So maybe another 1 minute, 30 seconds for this candle to get over. So he'll be starting moving up now. All right. So we are going to exit 80% here. This pin bar will not hold him anymore. He did try for 3 times. Market has fallen and has respected this pin bar. But now it will not be able to respect, and then bullish move may be able to take out the target one. The stop loss now can move back to this low of the box. You don't have to wait closer below this. If the moment it comes and touches this price, 38,932, you can just exit. You're almost there. The pin bar is not going to hold him for sure. We hit the target. I'll close my position background here, 80%. The rest 20%, you guys can keep following till target 2. All right. All the best, guys. Just I wanted to show this in the live so that it will bring you more confidence. Unfortunately, the live which I'm showing you is after 40 minutes we are getting the breakout. I expected this to give immediately after 4 to 5 candles, but nevertheless, you have to learn to manage your trades. Okay, you have to learn to see the market what is trying to do. Start redefining your stop losses. Start redefining your strategies. Though our market structure on golden market structure is perfectly valid and still working out, you have to follow the process as well as look at what the market is doing. I have always told you when it gets into the box, I know what it's trying to do. Before the entry as well as after the entry, if something this comes up, I'm damn sure what he's trying to do and where he's trying to do. Okay. So start learning the patterns of the market. Now market may reverse. We don't care about that. We can just exit our 20% position, maybe back down here. If it tries to come inside this peak formation, no regret. We will be in profit even with the 20% coming down. And if it is not, it's going higher. If it makes another higher high lows and higher highs, then bring that SL to the swing low and just keep following that. Okay. All the best. Let's see how markets end another 1 hour. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow.